The quest for speed began nearly 200 years ago in Great Britain. At the height of its power, the British Empire was the seedbed of industrial technology and innovation. Yet still, no man had travelled faster than a galloping horse. In the industrial northeast of the country, railways had been used to transport coal and minerals with horsepower until the beginning of the 19th century. Then the steam engine was introduced, starting with Trevithick's 1803 machine. However, progress was slow, the baton of development being taken up by the first railway genius, George Stephenson. His locomotion number 1, built in 1825, was supplied to the world's first public railway, the Stockton and Darlington Railway, opened in that year, powered entirely by steam. The streamliner principle was also extended to other routes. The new King's coronation in 1937 led to a further burst of rivalry, as we will see shortly, between the LMS and LNER, and the latter put on the coronation streamliner between London and Edinburgh, with A4s named after members of the British Empire. The rivalry between the LMS and LNER had a slightly different edge on the west side of the country. Only at the beginning of the 1930s had the LMS built advanced high-power Pacific locomotives to rival the LNER A1 and A4 designs. By 1936, they only had 12 of these, belonging to the Princess Royal class. 2 survive today. This is Princess Elizabeth.